Hello guys, today we're gonna do something crazy with my literally computer. So I'm gonna turn it into Linux because I use Windows all the time, if you know that. So this is Bazzite, a next generation of Linux gaming. Yeah, welcome to Bazzite, NVIDIA 41. Yeah. Okay, so just use English. Not Thai. Thai. I'm Thai. So I'm gonna click continue, and keyboard I will use English and Thai. And this one,
ดินไหวมีรอยร้าวเห็นได้ไหมครับ
I'm gonna show you. This is my hard drive, like personal hard drive. This is my SSD. This is my SSD to install. And this is my Windows hard drive. So yes, and because of that, yes, I am dual boot this with this. So I'm gonna come back. It start downloading. Woohoo! At least that's what I think. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait, and that should do it. Well, it finished. So let's just reset the computer, and it's doing stuff. I'm gonna hit I don't think it's doing anything, so let me hit those reset button. Okay, now it's nothing. I'm pressing F11 for some reason. I don't because I would think that would go boot Windows. Because I would think that would boot Windows for some reason. Okay, there we go. The number one is Windows Boot Manager for some reason. Let me plug this flash drive out. Click on Fedora since this is since this is the best. Whoa, a little bit cut out would be great for my PC. What the hell is Cox? What the hell is Cox? There we go, finally!